What you have learned is a valuable capability that can strengthen your ability to pursue employment and support your families.
On behalf of our City Mayor, Susan Yap, we sincerely congratulate all of you for this milestone na kayo po ay nakapagtapos. Yung pagtatapos ninyo is just the beginning of something better.
Ang araw na ito ay patunay na ang sipag, tiyaga at determinasyon ay nagbubungo ng tagumpay. Ang programang ito ay naging posible sa pamamagitan ng pagtutulungan ng Avoid Peace na siyang nagbigay ng libreng pagsasanay, libreng assessment at toolkits. Siyempre, ang Tarlac Center for Learning and Skill Success bilang ating training center at ang pamahalaang lungsod ng Tarlac sa pamumuno ni Mayor Susan Yap sa ilalim ng kanyang prioridad ng programang Edukasyon Muna.
Take pride in the skills you have earned and the work you do. Continue building on the skills you have gained and apply them with the same discipline and commitment that brought you to this milestone. Again, maraming salamat po at malugod na pagbati sa inyong lahat.